What's up, Tech Drop fam? Ready to unlock instant creative power? Today, I'm showing you a free AI tool from Google Labs that'll blow your mind. Google Whisk AI. No design skills needed, just pure magic in minutes. Let's get to it. Imagine creating stunning art, transforming photos, and even animating your ideas fast. Whisk AI is your new secret weapon. Here's how you use it step by step. Step 1. Get online. Simply search Whisk AI on Google. Click the whisk.google.com link, ensure you're logged into your Gmail, and hit Enter Tool. You're in. It's that easy to start. Step 2. Create images from scratch. Whisk uses an incredible image-to-image approach. You give it inspiration, a subject, scene, and style, and it generates. For example, I typed a cyberpunk detective cat solving a case in a rainy Tokyo alley. Look at this result. A feline Sherlock Holmes in a neon cityscape instantly generated. Perfect for concept art or unique visuals. Step 3. Bring your images to life with animation. See that Animate button? Click it. Then describe the motion. I'm telling our detective cat to blink and look around with flickering neon signs. Pro tip, be super specific with your motion prompts for the best animated results. Whisk processes it and boom, your image is moving. Think dynamic intros or captivating social media posts. Step 4. Transform your own photos. Upload any image you have. I'm taking this plain brick wall. Now I'll prompt Whisk. Add a vibrant, futuristic graffiti mural with glowing bioluminescent plants. And just like that, a boring wall becomes a stunning, unique background. Remember, Whisk focuses on the essence, so it creatively interprets, making it great for concept and quick visual overhauls. So, why is Google Whisk AI a must-try? It's 100% free, super intuitive, anyone can use it, lightning fast, generate, animate, transform in minutes. Cutting-edge Google AI. Just note, it's experimental, so check regional availability, mainly for creative exploration. This tool is a game changer for anything from YouTube thumbnails to social media posts. Go try Google Whisk AI now. Links in the description. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button. Tell me what you create. And for more awesome tech, subscribe to Tech Drop and hit that bell. Until next time, keep innovating, keep creating, and keep dropping that tech knowledge. Peace!